Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, we're going to talk to you about a leaky supply line to your toilet and how to fix it. Okay, now when it comes to your supply line for your toilet, there's a bunch of different ways it can be connected. The traditional way is copper malleable pipe that uses a compression ring and a nut on the actual valve, and then it gets slightly bent properly, and then there's another nut that connects to the fill valve on the toilet. If that's leaking, if that's what you have, the first thing to try is just to tighten the nut both on the valve itself that comes out of the wall or up from the floor, and then also tighten the nut that connects to the fill valve up above. If the water stops, well, you solve the issue. It can be that simple sometimes. But if that doesn't solve the issue, then you have a couple of choices. You can replace the water line from the water stop coming from the wall or the floor up to the fill valve with the same copper that you bend in place, very common, or there are now flexible water lines that come in either a plastic hose or a stainless steel wrapped one. They come in different lengths, and they've got the washers built in. So I mentioned to you about that ring on the traditional piping. This has a rubber gasket all built into it. And quite frankly, it's the easiest way to do this. So you'll shut the water off and you'll remove the connection point where the water line is connected to the valve. You'll do the same thing at the bottom of the tank where you'll loosen that nut and remove the whole water line. A little bit of water will come out of the fill valve, but not much. So have a towel handy for that. And then in this application, we're showing you using a flexible water line. You're going to first tighten the nut onto the valve itself that's coming from the wall. And you want to make sure that you kind of line that pipe up as you tighten it. Do it by hand first, and then use a wrench to tighten it. You don't have to over tighten because there's a rubber gasket and it seals quite well. Then carefully position the water line to the fill valve that's coming down from the bottom of the tank, and then tighten that by hand, lining up the pipe so that it feels like it's seating just right. Then turn the water on, check for leaks, you're good to go.